Good morning, friends. Today we are doing workshop on advanced ruling, offences, penalties and appellate provision. On advanced ruling, we all know that any tax applicant can go for advanced ruling on classification, ITC, credit is available or not, time and value of goods and services, at the same time determination of tax liability as well. Advanced ruling, the advantage in GST, even for the past activities, the transaction which is being executed, we can go for advanced ruling. So these are the subject matter. We have invited one of the advanced ruling authority from the central government, and he has deliberated number of topics today. And we have raised our concern, what happened if I am having offices in 29 states? Am I supposed to go for advanced ruling in 29 states, or it would be at central level, national level? Answer given to me, it is state specific. So that is one. Second, advanced ruling is not getting so much popular in trade parlance for the reason that the advanced ruling authority is coming from the tax department. So apprehension that whatever advanced ruling application is being submitted, that would be pro-revenue. For that region also, taxpayers are not coming forward. But nevertheless, advanced ruling is a really process. And one more factor which we have said, if members of advanced ruling authority differ, then the matter can be referred to the appellate authority. What happens if the member of appellate authority differ? Provision says then advanced ruling cannot be issued. So there are certain provision within advanced ruling authority which requires little correction. And advanced ruling authority, we have suggested from PSD Chamber of Commerce, why can't we have retired judicial member and technical member from SESTAT to be advanced ruling authority, and then they can give independent advanced ruling for the subject matter submitted by tax applicant. Coming to the offences and penalty, in GST, there are 21 offences are being prescribed which is liable for the penalty provision, and penalty would be higher of 10,000 rupees or the tax amount. So we have to be conscious enough that there are 21 offences as prescribed in GST law which is liable for the penalty provision, and then fraud and non-fraud cases. In case of non-fraud, tax amount plus 10% penalty of tax amount. In case of fraud, there would be tax amount plus 100% of tax amount as penalty need to be paid. Imprisonment provision, the 12 offences prescribed, and out of 12 offences, 4 offences are non-bailable offences, like supply of goods and services without issuance of invoice, or we are issuing invoice without supply of goods and services, or credit being availed on such bogus invoices, or GST collected but not deposited within a period of 3 months. These are non-bailable offences, and imprisonment time period is being prescribed that if the tax evaded amount is more than 5 crore, there is a term of 5-year imprisonment plus fine. If it is 2 crore to 5 crore, 3 years plus fine. And then if it is less than 2 crore but more than 1 crore, 1 year term as imprisonment plus fine. So these are the provision existing, but there are lot many other things for our preparation. This workshop is meant for education and training the taxpayer in terms of all provision pertaining to advanced ruling, pertaining to offences and penalty, pertaining to the offences which are bailable or non-bailable offences, for our better preparation, so that we can keep watch that total provision existing in GST law, and we can really avoid all the tax law in a right perspective. At the same time, this particular platform is giving opportunity that government is coming forward, giving hand-holding, responding to the queries of trade members, and we can be benefited out of it. Thanks for today, and look forward to all of you for the 5th workshop on 28th March 2018.